Hi guys, good evening and a very warm welcome to today's session. I can see some of you have already joined us here. A very good evening everyone. I hope you guys are doing well and your preparations are going good too. As we know, today's session is the 7th mock, right? So chalo, let's quickly share the session, right? So please share the stream once with your friends also, so that they know that the class has started. Good afternoon, Sakshi. Good evening, Jagan. Said good evening, everyone. Absolutely, Sakshi, you may come in. So, chalo, let's quickly start the session here. Okay. Now, today's session, yesterday we could not take the session due to some technical issues. A lot of buffering happened yesterday, so I got it fixed. Now we will not be facing the buffering issue anymore. राइट अभिजीत वेरी गुड इवनिंग सो चलो जल्दी से शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन तो जो पहले के 5-6 मिनट हम वेस्ट कर रहे थे इतने दिनों से वो अब नहीं होगा right, so we will be solving some more questions. So let's have a look at the questions, but before that, one very important announcement, guys, that is we have come up with a personalized interview batch for IBPS SOIT, right? So if you have your examination, that is your interview in the upcoming days, you can check this out and utilize it for the very benefit, because you can see that we have a very good panel. We have Shivrama sir, the ex-GM of SBI. We have specialist officer working in SBI and Canara Bank for the past 4-5 years, right? So you can check it out. This course, this particular batch will be helpful for your interview preparations. And to get the maximum discount, use the coupon code Nikita. Chalo. So let's have a look at the first question here. First question on your screen, Jagan. Yes, absolutely. Abhay, good evening. So the first question is there. Chalo, I'll give you the timer here. Try this out, guys. Jaldi se isko solve karo. Good evening, Rahul. How are you? We still have some time left. Complete the question. Vipul, very good evening. Done. Okay, Jagan has completed the question. That's absolutely great. Darshini also done. Rahul, मेरा नहीं भगवान का आशीर्वाद है that we all are doing great. Yeah. Okay, we'll quickly complete this question within the next 13 seconds. Sid also has completed. Abhijit, done. I hope everybody is aware of the marking scheme here. That is, for every right answer, we give ourselves a +1, and for wrong answers, we'll give ourselves a -0.25. And if we were not able to complete it within the time given, then we'll give ourselves a 0. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. So 10 people are sitting in 2 parallel rows such that 5 are there in each row. Now M and O, P and Q are sitting facing towards the north, and similarly A, B, C, D, E are sitting towards the south. Okay. Now it is given B sits at middle position of the row. So we know that B is facing the south here. That means B will be here because he is exactly in the middle position pe hai. Now Q faces E, who sits third to the right of C. So you can see that Q has to face E, right? So you can see that Q is facing the north. So what are the possibilities here? So you can see Q is facing E and E is third to the right of C. That is not a possibility because you can see that E has to be facing the south. That means this is not a possible position. So where should we place our Q? That means Q has to be placed towards the left hand side here. So Q is facing E and E is third to the right of C can be like this, and similarly Q is facing E, who is third to the right of C will be like this. Now it is given P sits third to the right of N, who is an immediate neighbor of O. So you can see P is third to the right of N and N is an immediate neighbor of O, can be like this. And similarly in this case, the second case here, can we place your P and N? देखो P और N तो यहाँ पर आएगा, no problem. But N should be a immediate neighbor of O, but that is not a possibility. That means this is invalid. So hence we are getting the right answer from the first case. Now what is given? It is given the person who faces B, right? So you can see who is facing B, O. So O is not an immediate neighbor of Q. So anyways, he is not an immediate neighbor of Q. So you can see who is remaining here. You can see we are having P, Q, M and OP, right? So this person will be M here. Now it is given D faces neither P nor M. So that means D will be here and the only one remaining is your A. Ma'am, why on SSC channel Vladimir Putin? Okay, so why on SSC channel? Because due to some technical issues that we are facing on the main channel, we will be having these sessions for few days on this particular channel, right? So don't worry about that. So let's continue the question, right? So you can see here that this is the final answer that we will be getting here. Okay, ये आपका final answer आएगा. So if you were able to complete the question within the stipulated time of 2 minutes, give yourself a +5 because you can see we have 5 questions in here. ठीक है? चलो, next question on your screen, that is question number 6 to 8. Okay? मैम O is not an immediate neighbor of N. देखो O is not an immediate neighbor of क्या दे रखा था? It was given that O, the person who faces B, is not an immediate neighbor of Q. So who is facing B here? B is facing O, right? So O should not be an immediate neighbor of Q. तो O और Q तो neighbor नहीं है. So this is absolutely okay here. N थोड़ी ना है. ठीक है? Vipul, I hope this is clear. So next question on your screen. Let's have a look at this one. Check this out. Okay, no, don't worry Vipul, we will be going to that particular question there again. Ma'am, please read 3 line once again. What, did we make some error there? कुछ गड़बड़ किया था? अच्छा चलो ठीक है, चेक कर लेंगे. ठीक है, 3rd line once again in previous question. Okay, don't worry, let's complete this particular question and we'll see, right? ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं अरविंद, एक बार देख लेंगे. ठीक है, डो नॉट वरी. QNMOP होगा, ठीक है, चेक कर लेंगे. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. Okay guys, so the time's up, right? So first let's go back to the last question here. जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन था वो एक बार देख लेते हैं. तो 3rd लाइन में क्या है? P sits third to the right of N, who is not an immediate neighbor of O. Okay, I did not read this not here. Okay, ठीक है, चलो let's complete this once again. ठीक है, इसको फिर से कर लेते हैं. शायद हमने थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ कर दिया है, तो चेक कर लेंगे क्या गड़बड़ हुआ. ठीक है, लेट्स चेक. एक नॉट की वजह से पूरा क्वेश्चन गलत हो गया. ठीक है, इसको फिर से कर लेते हैं. सो यू कैन सी दैट बी हैज टू बी हियर, राइट? बी इज एट द मिडिल पोजीशन. नाउ क्यू इज फेसिंग ई, सो क्यू इज फेसिंग ई, दैट इज हियर. ई हु सिट्स थर्ड टू द राइट ऑफ सी. राइट. सो ये एक पॉसिबिलिटी है. सिमिलरली Q इज फेसिंग E इज थर्ड टू द राइट ऑफ C, कैन बी लाइक दिस. अब यहाँ पर क्या था, P who sits third to the right of N. So P is third to the right of N. यहाँ भी आपका P is third to the right of N. N who is not an immediate neighbor of O. तो N जो है O का immediate neighbor नहीं है, so O will be here and Q will be here. In this case you can see O and Q can be either of the possibilities. दोनों जगह पे हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, चेक करेंगे. Now the person who faces B, तो यहाँ पर B को कौन फेस कर रहा है, Q फेस कर रहा है, is not an immediate neighbor of Q. So you can see ये Q तो नहीं बचा है, कौन बचा है, this person was B sits middle, Q is facing E, right? So P M होगा ना ये. ठीक है, तो M आ गया आपका यहाँ पर, MNOPQ. सो अब यहाँ पर क्या दे रखा है, द पर्सन हु इज फेसिंग B, राइट. सो यू कैन सी M is facing B, he is not immediate neighbor of Q, तो that is okay. यहाँ पर क्या दे रखा है, Q को कौन फेस कर रहा है, you can see E is there, right? तो यहाँ पर आपका Q is facing this one, right? So the person who faces B, so this person should not be an immediate neighbor of Q, तो ये invalid हो जाएगा because he is neighboring Q. That is why this case will be invalid and this will be the right arrangement here again. ठीक है, so D faces P, neither P nor M, so D आपका यहाँ पर आएगा और A आपका यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. So this will be the final arrangement here guys, right? My bad, I did not read the word that was not. तो देखो एक छोटा सा word नहीं पढ़ा तो उसकी वजह से क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो बी केयरफुल. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आई होप एवरीबडी हैज कंप्लीटेड, राइट. सो लेट्स क्विकली चेक इट आउट दैट हाउ दिस हैज टू बी डन. तो अब इसको चेक करते हैं. व्हाट इज गिवन हियर, 7 weights are there, right? 7 friends are there who are having different weights. Now D's weight is 20 kg, which is the least. So 7 persons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So we know D's weight is 20 kg, which is the least here. तो D जो होगा वो rightmost होगा. 3 persons had weights in between G's weight and A's weight. A is heavier than G. So we know that A should be like this, right? A and G should be like this because there have to be 3 persons between A and G and A has to be heavier than G. तो बहुत सारे possibilities हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, चेक करेंगे. C whose weight is 70 kg is heavier than B and F. So let's write it down that C's weight is 70 kg and he is greater than B and F. अब B ज़्यादा है कि F ज़्यादा है वो नहीं पता, उसको चेक करेंगे. C is not the heaviest person. So you can see that we should have at least one person before C. तो यहाँ पर C से पहले एक कोई person तो होगा ही होगा. Okay, there has to be at least one person before C. Now only one person's weight, right? Only one person had the weight in between E and B. अब E and B के बीच में we have only one person and E has to be lighter. So you can see we have B and we have E like this. No two friends had the same weight. So let's check what are the possible scenarios here. Let's see. So this is your D as 20 kg. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर देखो A can be here 1 2 3, this can be your G, this is one possibility. Similarly A and G can be like this. ठीक है, ये दोनों केसेस बन रहे हैं. अब B and E should be at a gap of 1. ठीक है, and you know that C has to be greater than B and F. Now let's say if we place your B here, अगर हमने B को यहाँ पर रखा because you can see that B and E should be at a gap of 1. So you will not be able to place your C before B. That means you will have to place your B here and your E here. So if your B is here, now you can see that C has to be greater than F as well. So C will be 70 kg here and he is greater than F. So this is one possibility that we can have. Let's check whether we can get any other possibility as well. अब यहाँ पर देखो B को यहाँ पर रखा, E को यहाँ पर रखा, right? That is a possibility. Now if C is greater than B, so you can see that C has to be, at least one person has to be there before C. तो ये वाला case invalid हो गया. That means this is the right case that you will be getting, right? Destination, very good evening. I hope everybody is clear with this particular question. किसी को कोई डाउट हो प्लीज बताइएगा. सबको समझ में आ गया? तो अगर ये आपका क्वेश्चन सही आया है, if you are getting this arrangement, give yourself +3 here because we are having 3 questions in this particular set. ठीक है, तो इसमें आपके 3 क्वेश्चंस थे, तो सही है तो +3, else if it is wrong then -0.25, -0.75. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 to 11. अगेन थ्री क्वेश्चंस इन हियर. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट दिस वन. जल्दी से इसको सॉल्व करो. That's right, AK. But yes, in this particular examination, that is your RBI assistant, you will not be getting any difficult questions, right? आपका set difficult हो सकता है, लेकिन questions बहुत direct होंगे. Because this is a speed-based examination. 96, 97 तक cut off जा चुकी है पिछले साल. So you can absolutely assume the amount of speed that you should have in this particular examination. ठीक है, तो बहुत difficult questions या ऐसा tricky question, घुमा के question वो नहीं पूछेगा. ठीक है, डू नॉट वरी अबाउट दैट. Okay, Abhishek says done. We are still left with 5 seconds here. चलो, so the time's up guys. Time खत्म हो गया है. कोई बात नहीं है माँ, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ओके, नो वरीज. सो लेट्स क्विकली चेक इट आउट व्हाट इज गिवन हियर. ठीक है, देखते हैं. सो 8 persons are sitting around a square table such that one person is sitting at each of the corner and one person along each of the edge. तो हमारे पास ऐसा कुछ स्क्वायर टाइप का अरेंजमेंट है where everybody, right, one person is at each of the corner and one person is along each of the side. ठीक है, ये आपका अरेंजमेंट है and all of them are facing outward. तो ये बाहर की तरफ देख रहे, right? This is important here that these people are facing away from the center. Okay, now let's check it out. Nani, very good evening. What is given here? W is sitting third to the right of Y. Now W and Y can be anywhere, so we will check. One person is sitting between Y and X. J is exactly opposite to S. S is an immediate neighbor of Z. X is sitting second to the left of K. V is sitting at one of the corners. तो अब देखो यहाँ पर आपको V जो है वो कॉर्नर पे दे रखा है. But should we start from this particular point? You can see that no other information is related to V. तो यहाँ से तो हम शुरू नहीं कर सकते. That means now we will have to take the possibilities, right? मतलब हमारे दो अरेंजमेंट बनेंगे और एक अरेंजमेंट किस पे एलिमिनेट होगा, जहां पर हमें V को कॉर्नर पे नहीं मिलेगा, दैट विल बी एलिमिनेटेड देयर, राइट? सो लेट्स चेक इट आउट. देखते हैं क्या बन रहा है यहाँ पर. So it is given that W is sitting third to the right of Y. Let's say if W is this person, he is third to the right of Y, so Y can be here. Similarly, let's say if W is here, then you will have your Y here because these people are facing away from the center. ठीक है, तो W can either be on a corner or W can be either on a side. Now one person is sitting between Y and X. ठीक है, इसको चेक करते हैं. And X is sitting second to the left of K. So one person should be there between Y and X. ठीक है, और it is given that X has to be second to the left of K. तो अगर मान लो X को यहाँ बैठाया, so he will be second to the left of Y. That means that is not a possibility. So you will have to place your X here and X is second to the left of K like this. ठीक है, इस वाले केस में चेक कर लेते कहाँ पर बैठाएंगे. अगर हमने मान लो x को यहाँ बैठाया, अगेन यू विल सी दैट ही विल बी सेकेंड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ y. दैट मीन्स यू विल हैव टू प्लेस योर x हियर एंड योर दिस पर्सन k हियर बिकॉज x हैज टू बी सेकेंड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ k. अब क्या दे रखा है? इट इज ऑल्सो मैंशन दैट v इज सिटिंग एट द कॉर्नर. तो अब अगर हम सेकेंड केस की बात करें, एक ही कॉर्नर बचा है, सो v विल बी हियर, राइट? दिस इज द ओनली पॉसिबिलिटी. इस केस में हमारे पास 3 कॉर्नर्स खाली हैं, तो उसको हम बाद में प्लेस करेंगे. लेट्स सी. नाउ J इज सिटिंग एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट टू S. S इज एन इमीडिएट नेबर ऑफ Z. ठीक है, तो J और S को हमें इमीडिएट ऑपोजिट बैठाना है, राइट? सो यू कैन सी J हैज टू बी ऑपोजिट टू S such that S is neighbor of Z. So यहाँ पर S कहाँ आएगा? S will be this person and J is opposite to S, so J will be here, right? This will be your J here and S is a neighbor of Z, so Z will be this person here. ठीक है, अब इस वाले केस में कहाँ बैठाओगे? यू कैन सी दैट यू हैव टू प्लेस योर J and S here, that is J here, S here, or J here, S here. But in this case you can see that in neither of the positions S will be neighboring your Z. तो ये वाला केस आपका invalid हो गया, जो second case है वो आपका गलत हो गया. So now you are getting the right answer from the first case and V is sitting at the corner, so V will be here. सबको समझ में आ गया? प्लीज बताइएगा. एनीबडी एनी डाउट्स इन हियर? सो नाउ इफ यू वर एबल टू कंप्लीट दिस क्वेश्चन एंड यू गॉट द सेम अरेंजमेंट, गिव योरसेल्फ अ +3. ठीक है, +3 मिलेगा आपको अगर आपने इसे सही किया है. और अगर थोड़ा सा भी अरेंजमेंट कुछ भी गड़बड़ था वहां पर तो गिव योरसेल्फ अ -0.75. ठीक है, चल नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 to 16. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट दिस वन. चेक दिस आउट. Aman, I guess it's not buffering here. I guess it's working fine. सबको दिखाई दे रहा है ना? किसी को कोई बफरिंग इश्यूज तो नहीं हो रही है ना? प्लीज बताइएगा. Aman, just rejoin the session once again. I guess it's working fine here today. Not now. Okay. चल तो जल्दी से इस क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट करो. Ma'am, I always get stuck in clockwise and anti-clockwise. AK, just practice a lot of questions on the basis of these circular arrangement, right? Assume yourself that you are sitting along the circle. आप खुद को imagine कर लो. अब अगर मान लो ये circle है और आप यहाँ पर बैठे हो तो आपका लेफ्ट साइड कौन सा होगा? ये लेफ्ट साइड होगा, ये राइट साइड होगा. सिमिलरली अगर मान लो बाहर की तरफ बैठे हो तो ये आपका राइट हैंड साइड होगा, ये आपका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड होगा. तो खुद को अज्यूम करके आप क्वेश्चन को बहुत इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हो कि अगर आप वहां पर बैठे होते तो आपका लेफ्ट और राइट किस तरह से होता. ठीक है, लेवल मैम हाई है पजल के. यस विश्वजीत, थोड़ा हाई रखा है मैंने ताकि हम अच्छे लेवल पे प्रैक्टिस करें. ठीक है, एकदम इजी पजल्स तो हम कर ही लेंगे. तो अगर ये क्वेश्चन आप 2 मिनट में कर पा रहे हो मतलब कि आप एग्जाम. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट दिस वन. सो 8 persons are living in 8-storied building where the bottommost floor is numbered 1 and the topmost floor is numbered 8 and so on, and no 2 persons are living on the same floor. ठीक है, अब चेक करते क्या दे रखा है. नॉट मोर देन 2 persons लिव बिटवीन जी एंड सी. तो यहाँ पर तो बहुत सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज बन सकती है. नॉट मोर देन 2 persons मीन्स वी कैन हैव 0, 1 और 2, मतलब 3 पॉसिबिलिटीज बन रहे हैं. या तो हमारे पास जी और सी के बीच में कोई नहीं है, या फिर 1 person होगा, या फिर मैक्सिमम वी कैन हैव 2 persons between G and C, because 2 more than 2 it's not a possibility. Now A lives immediately below H. Let's write it down that A has to be immediately below H. Now D lives somewhere above G. तो D जो है वो G के कहीं तो ऊपर रहता है. ठीक है, चलो इसको चेक कर लेंगे. After that it is given 3 persons live in between H and E who lives in an even numbered floor. तो E और H यहाँ पर कहाँ पर है? It has to be at a gap. These 3 persons have to be at a gap of 3 floors and E should be on an even number floor. तो कहाँ कहाँ हो सकता है? Let's say if we place your H or E here, right? Let's say this is your H or E, then 1, 2, 3, this is your H or E, right? This is one possibility. That is, you can see that 8, 4 is a possibility for E and H. That is, E is 8 and H is 4. That is one possibility. Similarly, E is 4 and H is 8. That is another possibility. उसके अलावा you can see that we can have H and E like this. 1, 2, 3. This is your H and E. राइट, तो ये दोनों केसेस हमारे बन सकते हैं. उसके अलावा तो कुछ और बनेगा नहीं. ठीक है, सो वी आर गेटिंग 4 cases on the basis of H and E. Now what is given? C neither lives adjacent to E nor on the bottommost floor. ठीक है, G lives on one of the floors above F. तो G जो है वो कहीं तो F के ऊपर रह रहा है, तो यू कैन सी D, G and F हैज टू बी लाइक दिस. ओनली वन पर्सन लिव्स बिटवीन E एंड D. अब E एंड D के बीच में सिर्फ एक ही पर्सन होना चाहिए, and it is given D has to live below H. So you can see that in this case, right, if we talk about the first case here, if you place your E here, that means you will have your D here, right, because you can see that let's say if you place your E here, अगर E को यहाँ place किया तो H को यहाँ place करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. If you place your E here on 8th floor, H will be there on the 4th floor and D will be here. But that is not a possibility. Why? Because you can see that D should be living below H. मतलब ये केस तो invalid हो गया, ठीक है. तो H आपका यहाँ नहीं होगा. That means we are getting H and E as like this. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर अब आपके पास दो केसेस बन सकते हैं. That is H, E here. So D can be either this person और D can be this person and H के immediately नीचे कौन है? आपका A है, so A can be here, right? अब इस वाले केस में you can see that it is given that D has to be living below H. तो D जो है वो H के below है and E and D are at a gap of 1. So you can see the only possibility will be that D is on 4th floor and H is there on 6th floor here, right? And we have E on the 2nd floor. तो ये भी आपका बन सकता है, ठीक है. उसके बाद चेक करते हैं. सो A has to be here in this case. So you can now see we are getting 3 different possibilities here. 3 possibilities बन रहे हैं. ओके, सो नाउ चेक इट आउट कि किस तरह से प्लेस करेंगे. अब यहाँ पर देखो G has to be above F and D has to be above G. तो अगर हम थर्ड केस की बात करें, you can see G and F will be like this. In the second case, can you place your G and F below D? No. That means ये वाला केस तो invalid हो गया. और आपका फर्स्ट केस में वी हैव 4 पोजिशंस फॉर G and F, सो उसको हम बाद में प्लेस करेंगे. अब क्या दे रखा है? C neither lives adjacent to E nor on the bottommost floor. तो C जो है ना तो वो E के adjacent है, मतलब यहाँ भी नहीं हो सकता, और C bottom में भी नहीं है. That means in the first case C has to be here. और इस केस में कहाँ पर होगा? You can see that C cannot be neighboring your E, that is okay, and not on the bottommost floor. मतलब C जो है वो कहीं फर्स्ट टॉप मोस्ट पे है, या तो 8 पे है या फिर 7 पे है. तो उसको चेक करेंगे. अब क्या दे रखा है? नॉट मोर देन 2 persons are there between G and C. अब अगर यहाँ पर बात करो, G तो यहाँ पर आ गया है, C will be either on these positions. So you can see that at least 3 persons will be there between G and C. मतलब ये आपका invalid हो गया. That means you are getting the right answer from this one. ठीक है. अब चेक कर लेते हैं क्या दे रखा है. कुछ एक चीज मिसिंग है, देख लेते हैं. G lives on one of the floors above F. Only one person between E and D. Now one person lives in between A and B. तो A और B के बीच में we should have only one person. So B will be here because we have already placed your A, and your G and F will be like this. So this is going to be the final answer that you guys were getting. तो अगर इस क्वेश्चन को आपने if you were able to complete this particular question within 2.5 minutes, अगर आपने इसको 2.5 minutes में किया है तो give yourself a +5 because the level of this question was a bit higher, else you will get a 0. और अगर थोड़ा भी गलत किया है तो give yourself a -1.25. ठीक है. चलो, next question on your screen, question number 17th to 21. Let's have a look at this one. Check this out. चलो जल्दी से देखेंगे how many of us were able to complete this particular question, right? So the time's up, guys. Okay, so we'll wait for let's say 10 more seconds and then we'll see that how many of us were able to complete this particular question. Done. Darshini, Abhijit completed. Absolutely great work here. So good speed, guys. So let's check it out. Mrinalini also completed. Great job here. So let's see what should be the arrangement. So 8 persons are seated around a circular table. Now 4 of them are facing the center and 4 of them are outside the center. Now you can see that C faces the center. So let's say this is your C. He is facing towards the center. Now is there any other information related to C, right? हमें common information देखना पड़ेगा. It is given C sits opposite to F. That means F will be this person. And it is given F who faces outside the center. So you can see F is facing away from the center. अब इसको हम दूसरे उससे कनेक्ट करते, क्या दे रखा है? D sits immediate left of F. So you can see D will be this person here. Now it is given D and E are facing each other and are also opposite to each other. तो D और E जो है वो opposite है and they are facing each other. That means they are looking towards the center. तो ये कुछ इस तरह का arrangement बनता जा रहा है, right? So you have to connect the common points here. So you can see that we have placed C, we have placed E, we have placed F, we have placed D. अब क्या दे रखा है? F के बारे में एक और information है, right? Let's check it out. Also we have B is third to the right of A who sits opposite to H. तो यहाँ पर देखो कहाँ कहाँ प्लेस कर सकते हैं. B is third to the right of A and A has to be opposite to H. मान लो अगर हमने A को यहाँ पर प्लेस किया, you can see B can be at this person, right? So इसके थर्ड राइट में हमें प्लेस करना है, that is B is third to the right of A. So यहाँ पर yes, this is a possibility. ठीक है, तो ये हो सकता है. क्या हम ये वाला पोजीशन ले सकते हैं A के लिए? You can see if you take this again, you can see third to the right is a possibility. So we have 2 possibilities there. तो उसको हम थोड़ी देर बाद चेक करेंगे वो वाले हिंट को. And it is given both A and H are facing outside the center. तो यहाँ पर देखो अगर हमने A को यहाँ पर रखा होता, in that case what will happen? You will have third to the right as F. राइट, जहां F बैठा है इसके थर्ड टू द राइट ये होता. दैट मीन्स A कैन नॉट बी दिस पर्सन हियर. अब A को अगर यहाँ पर प्लेस किया सो इसके थर्ड राइट में, बिकॉज ही इज फेसिंग अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर, यस वी हैव अ वेकेंट प्लेस, सो दैट इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी. ये अगर हमने A को यहाँ पर लिया सो यू कैन सी इसके थर्ड राइट में अगेन वी डू नॉट हैव अ वेकेंट प्लेस. यहाँ पर लिया होता सो यस यू कैन सी दैट यस वी हैव अ थर्ड टू द राइट एज वेकेंट. तो यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं दैट वी आर गेटिंग 2 पॉसिबिलिटीज हियर. ठीक है, तो 2 पॉसिबिलिटीज बन रहे हैं, उसमें से एक आपका इनवैलिड हो जाएगा. तो जल्दी से चेक करते हैं. लेट्स से वी प्लेस योर A हियर, सो A इज ऑपोजिट टू H, right? A is seated opposite to H. A और H दोनों बाहर की तरफ देख रहे हैं and A के थर्ड राइट पे we have your B. This is one possibility. Similarly, if A is here who is facing away from the center and H is here who is also facing away from the center and A के थर्ड राइट में we have B, so this will be your second case here. ठीक है, अब क्या दे रखा है? G who is not adjacent to F faces outside the center. So you can see in the first case G will be here, he is facing away from the center. But in the second case G को यहाँ पर प्लेस करना पड़ेगा. But you can see that G should not be a neighbor of F. तो ये आपका गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. So that means this is the right case here. So how many people are now facing away from the center? You can see that G is facing away, A is facing away, F is facing away and H is facing away. So these are the 4 persons who are facing away from the center. That means rest of the persons will be facing towards the center here. So if you got this answer, please give yourself a +5. Else, if we were not able to complete it within the time of let's say 2.5 minutes, again give yourself a 0. And if you got it wrong, direction भी गलत है तो -1.25. ठीक है, चलो next question. But before that guys, a very nice announcement for everybody, that is we are celebrating 10 million users. So now Olive Board has 10 million registered users on its website and we want to celebrate with you guys, right? So we have come up with very nice offers. You can see that we are giving extra validity, right? तो जो 6 मंथ्स का वैलिडिटी था उसको 10 मंथ्स कर दिया है, जो आपका 12 मंथ्स का था दैट हैज बीन इंक्रीज टू 14 मंथ्स, एंड यू ऑल्सो गेट एन एक्स्ट्रा डिस्काउंट ऑफ 40%, राइट? सो डू चेक इट आउट. All the offers are available on Banking Lite, Banking Elite, Banking Super Elite. तो हर एक कोर्स पे आपको मिल रहा है. A validity is increased, the discount is increased. So do check it out. It's a very, very good offer. And Banking Super Elite gives you the access to all the courses, all the tests, everything in one package, right? So do check it out. And to maximize your discount, कौन सा कोड यूज करेंगे? निकिता कोड यूज करेंगे, ठीक है? सो दिस विल गिव यू द मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट इन हियर. चलो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट दिस वन. चेक दिस आउट. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 to 22 to 25. चलो, 90 seconds on your screen. Let's have a look at this one. बिल्कुल अमन. So we have 10 million registered users on our website now. मैम, जो परचेज किए हुए हैं उसका वैलिडिटी बढ़ जाएगा क्या अभिजीत? नहीं, वो तो नहीं बढ़ेगा. जो आज से लेके 28 तक खरीदेंगे, राइट? सो दिस ऑफर इज वैलिड फॉर द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ 25th to 28th. तो अगर आप इस ड्यूरेशन में खरीदते हो तो आपको मिल जाएगा. So we have 4 questions in here, guys. 4 क्वेश्चन है, चारों का आंसर देना है. सिर्फ व्हाट कैन बी द पॉसिबल कोड फॉर फ्यूचर प्रॉब्लम मत करना, ठीक है? वी हैव 4 क्वेश्चंस इन हियर. चलो, सो लेट्स चेक इट आउट. आर वी गेटिंग द राइट आंसर्स और नॉट? ठीक है, जल्दी से देखते हैं. सो व्हाट शुड बी द कोड फॉर थ्रू? थ्रू का कोड क्या होगा? लेट्स चेक इट आउट. वेयर डू वी सी थ्रू? थ्रू दिख कहां पर रहा है? ही वेंट थ्रू द क्राइसिस, लो कार्बन फ्यूचर थ्रू सेक्टर. सो यू कैन सी इफ यू कंपेयर द टू, ही वेंट थ्रू द क्राइसिस, लो कार्बन फ्यूचर थ्रू सेक्टर, ओनली थ्रू इज कॉमन. तो इन दोनों के बीच में क्या कॉमन है? यू कैन सी ओनली 56 इज कॉमन है, उसके अलावा तो कुछ है नहीं. तो पहले का आंसर क्या होगा? 56 हो जाएगा, ठीक है? व्हाट इज द कोड फॉर कार्बन? सो वेयर डू वी हैव कार्बन? कार्बन आपका सेकेंड में है, कार्बन आपका थर्ड में है. दोनों को कंपेयर करो. व्हाट इज कॉमन बिटवीन द टू? लो कार्बन फ्यूचर थ्रू सेक्टर, कार्बन क्राइसिस इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम. सो कार्बन ही कॉमन है. तो दोनों के बीच में क्या कॉमन है? यू कैन सी 38 इज कॉमन हियर. 38 दोनों में कॉमन है. दैट मीन्स द आंसर टू द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन विल बी 38. अब क्या है? इफ द कोड फॉर वेंट इज 47, व्हाट विल बी द कोड फॉर ही? तो ही कहां पर आया है? यू कैन सी ही वेंट थ्रू द क्राइसिस, राइट? तो ही वेंट आपका फर्स्ट वाले स्टेटमेंट में आया है. नाउ थ्रू द क्राइसिस, थ्रू का हम ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं दैट इट इज 56 हियर. द क्राइसिस, अब क्राइसिस आपका यहां पर देखो थर्ड वाले में भी है. सो व्हाट इज कॉमन बिटवीन द टू? 47 नहीं है, 73 नहीं है, 14 है. सो 14 कैन नॉट बी फॉर ही वेंट, ठीक है? द आपका और कहां पर आ रहा है? डू वी हैव द एनीवेयर एल्स? So he went through the crisis, low carbon future through carbon crisis is big problem. तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कि the का भी हमारे पास नहीं है, right? So you can see that either he went through can be 47, 73 और 62. इन तीनों में से हो सकता है. अब the आपका यहाँ पर आ रहा है तो ये 62 आपका ये वाला भी चला गया, ठीक है? यस. सो यू कैन सी 62 भी नहीं होगा. तो 47 और 73 के बीच में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है एंड दैट इज फॉर ही वेंट. अब ही वेंट अगर 47, 73 में है, सो यू कैन सी इट इज मेंशन्ड दैट कोड फॉर वेंट इज 47. तो मतलब क्या होगा? 73 हो जाएगा. सो ही विल बी 73. ओके, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. मैम, इट्स इज कार्बन सेकेंड में? Yes, carbon is there, Shweta, right? So in the second one and third one, we have carbon that is common. Low carbon future through sector, राइट, इज कोडेड, डोंट वरी, राइट, दिस इज स्टिल हियर, इज नहीं है, ठीक है, डोंट कंसिडर दिस इज हियर, द स्टेटमेंट वाज समथिंग लाइक दिस, राइट, यहां तक है, इज कोडेड इज सेपरेट, ठीक है, इज कोडेड एज, दैट इज अ सेपरेट वन, दैट इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड एज अ इन द स्टेटमेंट, राइट, आई एम सो सॉरी, आई शुड हैव रिटन इट इन द कोड्स हियर, सो यहां तक सेक्टर तक है, द क्वेश्चन इज स्टिल सेक्टर, okay, I hope this is clear. Now which of the following can be the code for future problem? तो future problem कैसे होगा देख लेते हैं कहाँ पर है. So you can see that problem is here and future is here. तो इसके अलावा और कहाँ पर future है? You can see that future is here as well. This is your future and this is also future. दोनों को अगर कंबाइन करते रश्मिता, absolutely we have a daily class at 4 PM, right? So this is a daily class that happens at 4 PM Monday to Saturday. अब देखो फ्यूचर आपका फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट में है, फ्यूचर आपका फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट में है, उसके अलावा नथिंग इज कॉमन हियर. सो व्हाट इज कॉमन बिटवीन द टू? 68 नहीं है, 95 यस, सो वी हैव अ 95 हियर, सो दैट मीन्स दिस विल बी 95. अब प्रॉब्लम का क्या हो सकता है? यू कैन सी कार्बन हम ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं, दैट कार्बन वॉज 38, राइट. सिमिलरली क्राइसिस आपका फर्स्ट वाले स्टेटमेंट में है, सो यू कैन सी 21 नो, 19 नो, 82 नो, 14 yes, so 14 will be for this one, right, 14 आपका हो गया तो 14 भी चला गया. So now we are left with crisis भी हो गया, कार्बन भी हो गया, is big, so is कहाँ पर है? is not, is कहीं और है, yes, is there in the fourth statement. So what is common between the two here? So 82, हाँ तो 82 आपका हो गया. So you can see 21 या 19 में से होना चाहिए. Okay, so you can see it has to be either 21 or 19, right? So 95 तो होगा ही होगा. So this is not a possibility, not a possibility, not a possibility, not a possibility. So D will be the right answer here. Okay, I hope this is clear to everybody. So 9521 can be a possible code for future problem. A possible code क्यों बोला है? क्योंकि 19 भी हो सकता है. It is not necessary that it is 21 here. Okay, I hope this is clear to everybody. Chalo, we'll quickly go to the next question, next two questions on your screen. Let's have a look at this one. If there is option cannot be determined, then it would be cannot be determined, Shweta, if they would have given the question as which of the following is the code. Agar is the code, that is if they are asking about a definite code, then it would have been a cannot be determined. But in the question it was about a possible code. Which of the following can be a possible code? So that is why. Okay? Ma'am, you are totally Bengali but you speak Hindi. Destination, I am a Bengali born and brought up in UP, right? So that is why I know Bengali, I know Hindi, दोनों ही आता है मुझे. चलो, let's have a look at this particular question. Done? We are still left with 8 seconds to go. 8 more seconds guys. चलो जल्दी से देखते हैं, ठीक है? Okay, let's check, right? So what should be the answer to the first question? G greater than Y. तो G greater than Y कैसे करेंगे? You can see that the common variable is through I. तो G is greater than I is equal to O is equal to A and A is equal to Y. तो G greater than Y, that's absolutely right in here. तो ये तो बिल्कुल सही है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन क्या है? A greater than equal to I. तो हम फिर से इसको कैसे कनेक्ट करेंगे? You can see we have to connect it A to I. तो यहाँ पर A से I का रिलेशन तो देख ही रहे हो. तो you can see it has to be a equal to. So this is a possibility, not a definite one. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? फर्स्ट वाले का आंसर होगा ओनली 1. ठीक है, चलो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन चेक करते हैं. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में क्या है? I ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू C. तो I और C को कैसे कनेक्ट करेंगे? यू कैन सी वी हैव I इज ग्रेटर देन H इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू J, बट J इज लेस देन इक्वल टू C. तो यहाँ पर देखो I से C की तरफ जाएंगे, सो वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू गो बिकॉज हियर वी हैव अ क्लोज्ड एंड, सो दिस विल हैव अ रिलेशन ऑफ कैन नॉट बी डिटरमाइंड. That means this is invalid. I hope interpret seeker, you can see that this is not a possibility. I hope that you saw that it has to be J is less than equal to C. Ma'am speaks 3 languages, isn't it? Yes, Sakshi, I know 3 languages here. So you can see that J is less than equal to C. That is why the first will be cannot be determined. Okay. What about the second one? U greater than J. Now how do we connect it? We have to connect it with the help of common variable here. So U is greater than M is greater than I I is greater than equal to H and H is greater than equal to J. That is how you will be connecting it, right? So now you can see that U greater than J will be absolutely right in here because you have a greater than between the two variables. So this will be absolutely right in here. So the answer to this particular question will be only 2 follows. Are we clear with this particular question, guys? So if you were able to complete both the questions in a minute, give yourself a +2. गलत किया तो -0.5, अगर एक गलत है तो -0.25. ठीक है? 3 language and some mantras in Sanskrit too. Yes, that's right, Aman. चलो, let's have a look at question number 28 to 30. Right? So 3 questions on your screen. Let's have a look at this one. Check this out. So we need to give the answer to all the 3 questions here. Okay, done. That's great, guys. We still have 30 seconds to go. Done. 363. Okay. So 15 more seconds to go, guys. Then we'll complete this, right? Most of you are getting the same answers here. Very easy question. बहुत ही easy सा question है. 363, 373. Okay. चलो 373 है या 363 है, देखते हैं, जल्दी से देखेंगे. ठीक है. So the time's up, guys. ठीक है, time's up. Let's check. So how many letters are there in the given string which are preceded by a vowel? ठीक है, तो preceded by a vowel देखना है, succeeded है कि नहीं उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So how many such letters are there? You can see that T is preceded by a vowel, Y is preceded by a vowel, F is preceded by a vowel, right? So you can see that the answer to this particular question will be 3. तो पहले आंसर का 3 होगा. ठीक है. What about the second one? How many such letters are there in the string which are succeeded by a letter which comes after T in the alphabetical order? मतलब T के बाद वाले alphabets को check करना है and it has to be succeeded by something that is greater than T. That means greater than 21 to 26. ठीक है. U, V, W, X, Y या Z. Okay. So let's check it out. So how many letters are there in the string which are succeeded by this letter? So how many as such alphabets are here? You can see T से greater count कर लो. ठीक है. जो भी आपका T से greater है वो आपको सही आंसर देगा. So let's check it out. Let's see. So you can see that this is your greater than T, right? उसके बाद this is your greater than T, this is also greater than T, this is also greater than T, this is also greater than T. उसके अलावा कुछ है क्या greater than T? This is also greater than T, right? So you can see that C is a letter which is succeeded by a alphabet which is greater than T. Similarly, R is succeeded by W. W is succeeded by U here. U is succeeded by Y. And similarly, P is succeeded by Z and B is succeeded by V. So बिल्कुल आंसर क्या होगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. तो आंसर will be 6 in here. तो 6 बिल्कुल सही है. ठीक है. So that will be right. Arvind, Q नहीं होगा. Q is succeeded by C here. And similarly, H is succeeded by Q. We have to check our alphabet that is greater than T. ठीक है. T से greater देखना है तो T के बाद वाले alphabets को check करोगे. Q is lower than T. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now what about the third question? How many letters are preceded by a vowel and succeeded by a consonant? ठीक है, तो इस तरह का आपको देखना है, क्यों नहीं आएगा? हाँ बिल्कुल. So vowel and letter and then we should have a consonant. So let's check it out. You can see we have a vowel here, we have a letter here and we have a consonant. तो ये हो गया एक. Similarly we have a vowel here, we have a letter here, we have a consonant here. This is the second. Then we have a vowel, we have a letter and this is your consonant. So this is your third. So these are the three alphabets that we have. So T, Y and F. Okay, so the answer to this particular question will also be 3 here. So if you guys got the right answer in the given time, please give yourself +3. कोई भी question गलत है तो -0.25 के हिसाब से calculate कर लेना. Okay, I hope this question is clear to everybody. Let's go to the next one. Check this out. चलो. So Silogs on your screen. Let's check this particular question, guys. Okay, both will check. Both. चलो ठीक है, we'll see, right? 20 seconds to go, guys. If you want to change your answer or check your answer, you can. Okay, chalo, let's check it out. What should be the answer here? Everybody has given the answer as both. That's a good one. Let's check. Only a few names are places. That means some names are places and some names are not places. इस तरह का कुछ diagram बनेगा. ठीक है? Some places are animals. So some places are animal. Only a few animals are things. So you can see some animals are thing and some animals will never be thing. तो ये आपका बेसिक डायग्राम बन गया. गुड इवनिंग अंकित. So what about the first one? All things can be places. Can all things go inside your places? You can see these two are independent of each other. They have no negative information here. So this is absolutely right in here. तो आप things को यहाँ बनाओ या things को यहाँ बनाओ, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, right? So that is a possibility. What about the second one? Some animal can be names. Now can be is again a possibility. So can some animals be names here? Absolutely. You can see again they are independent of each other. No direct relation, negative or positive is given here. So you can see this is also a possibility. So the answer to this particular question will be both. Okay, absolutely. Both is right here. Let's go to the next question. Next question on your screen. Question number 32. Let's check this out, guys. Okay, only one. Most of you are getting only one. Somebody is getting both as well. Abhijit, Priya, if you guys want to check your answers, you can. Else also, others also, we still have some time. If you want to change your answers, you can, right? Either it is both or one. I am not really sure. मुझे आंसर नहीं पता है तो इसको हम चेक करेंगे. ठीक है, अभी भी टाइम है, आप चेक कर लो एक और बार. चलो, so the time's up, guys. Time's up, right? Now we will not be changing the answer. आपका आंसर सबमिट हो गया है, तो चेक करते हैं. All steps are marked. What is the meaning of all steps are marked? That is, step has to be inside your mark. Only a few marks are gate. So you can see some marks are gate and some marks are not gate. तो इस तरह का कुछ डायग्राम बनेगा. ठीक है. What about the first one? Some marks are step. That's definitely true. You can see there is a definite interaction between the two. So this will be absolutely right in here. All gates are step. Now this is a possibility. ये तो possibility है कि gate को हम step के अंदर ले जाएं, right? This is given as a definite conclusion. So the answer to this question will be only one follows. I hope this is clear to everybody. Please let me know if we have any doubts in this particular question. सबको समझ में आ गया? now you need to do is that you have to calculate your totals, right? Total अपना calculate करो. I hope everybody is keeping a track of all the scores that you are getting every day, right? तो अपने score का track रखो. क्या हमारा score positive direction में जा रहा है? अगर जा रहा है मतलब हमारी speed increase हो रही है and we are on the right path here. Okay, so उसको check करते रहना. So one very important announcement again guys, that we have your RBI assistant selection batch for you guys, so you can check it out. तो अगर आप prepare कर रहे हो, prepare with us, we will give you the best guidance. You get the access to all the classes for RBI assistant, you get the access to the mock tests and the sectional and GK tests as well, right? So use the coupon code Nikita, NIKITA, और ये आपका बैंकिंग सुपर एलीट प्लान में भी इंक्लूडेड है. और अगर बैंकिंग सुपर एलीट प्लान लेना है सो प्लीज टेक इट बिटवीन द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ 25 to 28 बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग द एक्सटेंडेड वैलिडिटी plus extended discount offer till 28th of February, right? So 40% discount और extended validity आपको मिल रहा है with the help of coupon code that is Nikita. ठीक है. हाँ सीकर, यस आई हैव द डेली क्लासेस एट 4 PM. ठीक है, 4 PM बिल्कुल सही है. मैम प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन सेकेंड वन इन केस पॉसिबल इज रॉन्ग, ये वाला आप बोल रहे हो? यस, सेकेंड इज रॉन्ग. ऑल गेट्स आर स्टेप्स, दैट्स अ पॉसिबिलिटी कृष्णा. यू कैन सी दैट गेट कैन गो इनसाइड योर स्टेप, इट्स नॉट अ डेफिनेट वन. और अगर आप इसकी बात कर रहे हो, यू कैन सी सम एनिमल्स कैन बी नेम्स. दिस इज योर कैन बी. ओके, कैन बी इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी वर्ड. सो यू कैन सी दिस इज योर एनिमल हियर एंड दिस इज योर नेम हियर. दे आर इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ ईच अदर हियर. ठीक है, so that is why can be will be a definite answer because this is given as a possibility. That is, some animals being named is a possibility or some animals can be names. That's the same thing here. That is why both of them were definitely right. Okay, so chalo, I'll now conclude the session here. Now this is for your homework. तो ये आपका homework question है. Mention the answer in the comment section. I'll be checking it out. ठीक है, सिर्फ सिलॉजिज्म में ही कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता है अमन, ऐसा नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ दिन और प्रैक्टिस कर लो, फिर आप बोलोगे सिर्फ रीजनिंग में ही. सिर्फ नहीं, रीजनिंग में बहुत सारा कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता है. ठीक है, तो प्रैक्टिस की बात है, जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना अच्छा होता जाएगा. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's session. I'll see you again with another session tomorrow guys at 4 PM. So do not miss it out, right? So do check it out, and I hope all of you who liked the session, please press the like button and share it with your friends as well. Please remember that for few days we will be having these sessions on the SSC Tube channel, right? तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बस थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल इशू है. So do not be worried about that. We will be having the normal regular sessions on this particular channel, right? So all those who are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, and yes, if you like the session here, please share it with your friends as well. So thank you so much guys. Ma'am, thank you ma'am Ashi Bhalo Thakben, you to destination, please take care. So thank you so much guys, please take care, stay safe, have a great day. Thank you guys.